Hey YouTube, let's make my version of blended all-purpose seasoning, otherwise called green seasoning. Hi guys, for the longest while I've been promising you guys that I'll be sharing how I make my green seasoning. So in today's video, I'm showing you how I make my green seasoning. So I'm just gonna cut up these ingredients and then show you. You know, as I'll go along the way, and then I'm gonna speed up parts of the video and so forth. Alright, so let's begin. But first let me say, for me, green seasoning for me is not only a way of making something, you know, extra, but it's a way of, you know, preserving ingredients. So you have your stuff here, and you know, so for a week you don't get to do much cooking. I get to use up what you have. This, you make it, you have it in the fridge, you can store it. I have mine for about 3 weeks, so I always ensure to use a clean spoon in it. So once you do that, you can serve. You can last for up to 2 to 3 weeks. So this is a way of preserving, you know, products so they don't go to waste, as well as to make something extra that's going to add a little oomph to your meals, so to speak. All right, so we're going to start out now by cutting up onion here. So I have about 1.5 onion inside here. So I'm just going to start out by cutting these. So I'm not going to cut them up, just going to roughly chop them. Or these are thyme leaves, guys. Thyme leaves, alright. So we're going to cut them, and while we're cutting, we're going to put it in the blender. Alright, so let's put them in for the halves in 4. Drop them in the blender. Alright. Remember I said I'm going to speed up parts of it, so that's the onion. And then here now I have scallions. So just roughly chop them. No rhyme or reason. Roughly chop them up and add them to the blender. So this green seasoning here, whatever you have, add it to it. If you don't have something, omit it. You have something, you take it out. Because I make one thing I wish I had though is cilantro. Because cilantro add this type of spice that I really love. And I have a sweet pepper here, so I'm gonna roughly chop it. Half sweet pepper, rough choppers, as I said. Alright, and then I have some parsley. Call these curly leaf parsley. I think they call it Italian parsley, but I'll just stick with parsley. Alright, so everything is gonna cut and just go right down in the blender there. Alright. I have Scotch bonnet pepper. Rough chop them again. Put them in. As I said, guys, this is a way of preserving, because sometimes, you know, things happen, we don't get to use up the stuff we buy and so forth in time, and then we have to throw them out. So instead of doing that, you just make this and put it down, and then you're cooking something quick and fast. You just grab for this, you know, just grab for this and use it instead of going to cutting up seasonings and so forth. You just cut up these and so. Alright, so just rough chop, drop them in the blender. I'm just gonna put everything in there because I really don't have the time to. Alright, so see it here, garlic. I have 1 whole head of garlic, 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna chop these and put them in there because I love garlic. Garlic is the something I can cook a meal with only onion and garlic. I can't cook a meal without garlic. If I'm going to cook and I don't have any garlic, I'm not going to cook. Alright, so just rough chop them straight in the blender. That's it. And then I have some thyme here. Oh yes, and I have a piece of rosemary. So as I said, and I'm not putting much. You don't want to put much of this in there because it will overpower all the other ingredients. So that's a little stalk there. Put that down in there, and then just do this. Put them right down in there. And then the final thing I'm putting in there, the final thing I'm chopping to put in there is this. This is around here, so I'm gonna put this down on here. going to put this down on here, and then I'm going to move along to the other part of it. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding, I'm going to be using vegetable oil, and this is one of the few times I use vegetable oil, guys. Reason being because I keep it in the fridge. I don't want to use coconut oil, so because coconut oil is going to solidify, right? So I'm using the vegetable oil. Alright, so I want to hit blend here. Just going to stir it up. Smells so good. Oh my gosh. Put this in some. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it. Take a whiff, guys. Just take a whiff. Look at that. Oh, just how I like it. As I said before, the only thing that I miss from this is the cilantro. I like the cilantro. I love cilantro. Cilantro gives it a flavor there. Look at that. Guys. That's, I know the bottle I don't normally keep it in, but I just love this little cutesy bottle here. So I'm gonna put some in this. Just for presentation purposes. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that lusciousness there. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my word. Oh my word. Look at that. Ooh. Yes. Alright, I want to take some pics on it below. Have you ever made this? What ingredients do you have? What would you take out? What would you put in? What would you substitute? Let's have a conversation. I'd love to talk to you guys down in the comments there. Alright, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.